My name is Chakravarthi AVPS. I represent the Federation of Pharma Entrepreneurs, a apex body of pharmaceutical manufacturing companies in India. I'm chairman for South India AP and Telangana chapters. I'm also national senior vice president for the FOP. It's called Federation of Pharma Entrepreneurs. Other than that, I'm also representing World Packaging Organization, the global apex body of packaging in the world, as its global ambassador. Well, both on the FOP and also WPO. FOP is a pharmaceutical manufacturing companies federation. It's a big association. We have around 800 companies manufacturing from life-saving drugs, formulations, injectables, solids, liquid, oral, and also a lot of APIs as well. One of the largest associations in India, creating awareness for producing better medicines and implementing better systems. I represent FOP. And World Packaging Organization is a noble body. It's a non-profit organization. We have around 65 countries, member countries. I'm from India, though, but on a global basis, I'm on the executive board and also I'm a global ambassador there. And better quality of life through better packaging is our mission statement, and it goes very well with the pharmaceutical industry's mission as well. The pharmaceutical industry is evolving, the patient needs are evolving, and if you ask me, maybe around a few decades ago, the average lifespan of a human being was less than 40 years. It's even 35 years. Today, even 60 years, people feel young. Thanks to the evolution of the pharmaceutical medicinal technologies, and it is safeguarding our lives. And we have seen multiple times in the last couple of centuries when the pandemic erupted and also the deadly diseases come to the fore, the industry come very handy and helping the mankind to rescue them from the diseases. The packaging was never considered as a frontline objective of a pharmaceutical sector. But today, packaging has become an integral part of a very pharmaceutical product. Right at the time of drug discovery, during the laboratory itself, what kind of packaging the drug has to have, that is being decided. Without that, it is just impossible to have the highly efficacious drugs to reach safely, to keep itself safe throughout the supply chain gamut. So the packaging has attained a very, very importance. And packaging has not limited itself just for containing a product, protecting the product, but it has got a lot of objectives like conveying the information to the patient, conveying a lot of other things, how to take the doses, dose adherence, dose compliance, and also there are a lot of regulatory aspects it has to follow. So packaging in a nutshell, I gave a statement 3 years ago. Packaging will be your second physician. People are asking, what will be the packaging? What is second physician? Of course, the final contact between any medicine and the patient is nothing but a packaging, because a doctor won't be there, a nurse won't be there. Ultimately, your packaging is there in your hands. You are going to access all the information through the packaging, and through the packaging, you get to know what kind of medicines you have to take, what is the strength of the medicine, when you need to take, and giving a feedback. Now the digitalization has come. Internet, IoT and augmented reality and AI tools are being integrated into the product packaging itself. So in turn, it is actually suggesting a patient when to take the medicine, when not to take the medicine. After taking a medicine, what is the changes in the body of the patient. So everything will be taken to the cloud, and the physician will suggest back to the patient. Thereby, the packaging has become like a physician visually. First time when the organizers contacted me, I think you have got a fantastic team, my dear. Like you, there are few more managers. I think Natalia and Oksana, they contacted me and they invited me to speak in this Congress. Of course, speaking in Congress is not new. For the last 25 years, I've been doing that. In more than 30 countries, I've been speaking. But PHARMAP 2024 in Amsterdam is really close to my heart. After coming over here day before yesterday night and throughout yesterday and today, I went through all the sessions. They are very inspiring and very insightful. And I was privileged to do a special address in the executive opening session on a patient centricity, evolving trends, and how the future of the pharma and pharma packaging, role of packaging in uplifting the medicinal care, etc. And then in the afternoon, I continued chairing a session, rather moderating a session on eco packaging in the pharmaceuticals. I found both the assignments very, very informative, and people received it very well, I believe, and I got a good feedback. And other than that, I got to see a fantastic combination of the delegates, speakers, and a lot of stakeholders. I never saw this kind of mix, because if you have all the people, only service providers, it doesn't help. Similarly, if you have all the users, it doesn't help. But the organizers have taken a very, very good care that a selective service providers who bring with them the newest technologies and their products along with them, and then the user segment ranging from Pfizer, AstraZeneca, Bayer, multiple companies, worldwide companies. They are all senior representatives, supply chain heads, manufacturing heads, the digital CTOs, CXOs, multiple senior management professionals I could see, and this is a fantastic combination, I can say. It's a value for money. People have come here, and I really congratulate Pharma management for this. She's Oksana, the little lady. She did a fantastic job, I must say, because it's not only Oksana. I was told the uniqueness of the PHARMAP, which I not found in other congresses worldwide. Of course, they are good congresses, they are good conclaves, but here, each and every delegate or a speaker is assigned a personal manager, and he doesn't need to worry. The delegate or speaker doesn't need to worry what to do, when is the next session, what will be there. If any doubts are there, they will be preempted even before the doubts come. So that's how the Oksana did a fantastic job for me, and like you and all others, they did a fantastic job. This is a wonderful platform. I recommend the pharmaceutical stakeholders around the world to take benefit of this Congress by BGS, and probably they have multiple congresses in the coming days soon.